guys, it's Audra back with a brand new video. I will be doing a tutorial to a makeup look that is from the NYX Bright palette and then the Jaclyn Hill palette, which is my go-to look as of right now. I know you will see it and you're gonna be like, wow, those are very bright colors, but I like to go bright. It's my favorite thing to do. So if you want to keep on watching, let's get right into the video. So the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to show you the colors that I will be using in this video, and it is these 4 colors. It will focus. These 4 colors right here are the ones I'll be using off of the Jaclyn Hill palette. Doesn't want to focus now, but it's fine. And then out of the NYX palette, I will be using the blues and then a little bit of the purple. So the 3 colors right here are the ones I will be using. So the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to get my brushes and I'm just going to start. So the first color that I will be using is my NYX palette, and I'll be using the blue one, the matte one, not the glittery one. And I'm just going to get a angled brush and just cover it on there, and I'm gonna do on my lid. I'm just gonna cover my lid in it. Like so. So now you can see that I have a blue look, and yes, I look terribly gross. I have not finished the rest of my makeup. I'm gonna do that after, and then I'll show you like the final thing when I'm done, but I'm just gonna do my eyes today. And then I'm gonna go into the Jaclyn Hill palette and I'm gonna get this blue one that's matte on that one too, and use the same brush because whatever, and cover your eye again. Like so. And then I'm gonna get my lighter of my brushes and I'm gonna do, actually I take that back. I'm gonna get my purple color on my NYX palette, and I'm gonna use the same brush because it wants to clean a whole bunch of brushes. And I'm gonna go over like right here, so the crease is, I'm gonna put purple. Like so. Let me zoom it in so you can see it better. Don't mind my eye, but I'm gonna do the crease. And of course, it's blurry now. I'm gonna do the crease of my eye. I'll show you on the other eye. And do the crease. Kind of like so, where it looks purple but it's not like a very, very bright purple. I love how it does not want to focus on my face. I wouldn't either, but anyways, we are gonna actually, that's my eye makeup look. It's super simple, and if I wanted to add glitter, I'm gonna get a little bit of my Stila and I'm gonna use the Smoldering Satin. And I'm going to put a little bit on my finger because I don't want a lot. And I kind of just want to blend it out on my fingers. And I'm going to put it on my lid, just like a little bit, to give it a little bit more sparkle. Because who can go wrong with sparkle at this rate? Like so. And the reason that I waited to do the rest of my makeup is because I know I will get the makeup all under my eyes and then I'll just end up having to go back over it with concealer. So I'm going to do that, and then I'll show you what I do under my eyes, and then that will be the final look. So, hey guys, so I did my makeup and it's kind of just like a basic look. And then I'm gonna go back in with my NYX palette, and I'm gonna get the purple shade, and I'm gonna put it under my eyes. Kind of just line that up.
And you can kind of just get it until you have as much purple as you want on it.
Kind of just like my go-to look that I wear to work and I'll wear everywhere else. So let me just zoom out of my face because we don't want to see that zoomed into my face. So thank you guys for watching. I will be posting new videos weekly now that I am out of school. I've graduated and I just am working. And then I'm gonna try to do a vlog because I'm going to Cancun at the end of the month again. And yeah, so I'll be trying to do a vlog there so you can see all the cool stuff that I'm gonna do, and kind of you can see more in depth into my life. But you can follow me on all social medias and see more of me. And I'm gonna try to do a Q&A. I just don't know what channel I'm gonna do it on yet. So if you want me to do a Q&A or you have questions, you can either leave them in the comments below or go into one of my social medias, direct message me, anything, and I'm probably gonna post a picture and then y'all can post the comments on my Instagram or my Twitter. So thank you guys for watching. I love y'all so much, and have a amazing day, amazing night, whatever time you're watching this. I love y'all.